Toby! Toby! Stop that! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah, that's Arthur Bruce's boat, and this is Bill's boat, and there's Arthur Bruce, volunteer harbor master, and this is my mad dog Diamond, my mad dog. And here we go. Uh-oh. Here they come, the seagulls, yeah. The seagulls are circling. They're trying to protect the boat. See that? They know we're coming. It's good, they're protecting the boat. Yeah, stop that. Stop that. And here's the beautiful bay. It's been my... Oh, here they come! Whoa, here they come! They're protecting the boat and their seagull chicks. Oh! Quiet, Toby, quiet. Okay. Stop that, Toby. Stop that. Yeah, those seagulls, they're waiting for us. Toby, do I have to put you in a tub? Toby. Okay, we're gonna go up here. Will you stop that? Okay.